Today I'm going to walk you through how to recover your Telegram account. Whether you're locked out because of a forgotten password, missing phone number, or even a deleted account, by the end of this video you'll know all the paths forward, with practical advice and what to expect at each step. Let's dive right in together. First up, let's talk about what to do if you forgot your two-step verification password. This is that extra security layer you may have set up, a password in addition to the usual code you get by SMS. So if you're trying to log in and Telegram asks for that second password but it slipped your mind, don't stress. Look carefully for the Forgot Password option on the screen. Go ahead and tap it. If you set up a recovery email when you created your account or enabled two-step verification, Telegram will send a recovery code straight to that email. When you get it, enter the code and you'll be able to reset your password and regain access. If you're not seeing the email right away, double-check your spam folder or try refreshing. Sometimes servers get a little sluggish. And if you're worried that you never set a recovery email, take a moment to see if any of your usual addresses have a message from Telegram before moving to the next step. Now, what if you no longer have access to the phone number tied to your Telegram account? This situation is a bit trickier, but there are still options. Since your phone number is the main way Telegram identifies accounts, you'll need to get creative. First, check if you're still logged into Telegram on any other device, for example, a tablet, your computer, or even a web browser where you might have left an open session. If you are, good news. Telegram often allows you to receive the in-app verification code right there. That means you can use that code to log into Telegram from your new device or re-register your number. But what if you're completely locked out and all your devices have been logged out? Don't worry, you're not out of options yet. Your next step should be to contact your mobile carrier. Find out if they can reissue your old phone number on a new SIM card. Most carriers have procedures for this, especially if you can prove ownership of your identity. Think of it like changing the lock on your house after losing the key. You just need to confirm you're really the owner. And if the mobile carrier route isn't successful, you can reach out directly to Telegram support. You'll find a support form on their website. Be sure to fill it out completely. Include your registered phone number, current email address, details about your device, and the last time you successfully logged in. Try to be as clear as possible. The more detail you give, the better chance their support team has to help. Just keep in mind that this path can take time and responses aren't always immediate, so patience is key here. Finally, let's tackle the scenario where your account was deleted either by accident or on purpose. If your account has been deleted, Telegram's rules are strict. Everything is erased permanently, your chats, contacts, even your settings. But there's a silver lining. Telegram does have a kind of grace period that lasts about 30 days from the date of deletion. If you act quickly and attempt to log in with your old phone number during that window, you might get an option to restore your account. But if more than a month has passed, your account and all its data are gone for good. You can still sign up for a new Telegram account using the same phone number, but just know that you'll be starting fresh. Think of it as a clean slate. So that covers all the main routes to recover your Telegram account. It's not always straightforward, and some options require a little patience, but I hope this gives you the clarity and confidence to get back on track. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and if you've got any questions or need advice with a tricky situation, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and good luck with your account recovery.